Hello everyone. Here's a detailed breakdown of the top 3 future space missions beyond Earth by 2030. Number 1. Artemis Program, NASA, the return to the Moon. What is Artemis Program? The Artemis Program is NASA's ambitious plan to land astronauts on the Moon again, establish a permanent lunar base, and prepare for future Mars missions. The program is a collaboration with the European Space Agency, ESA, JAXA, Japan, and other partners. Key missions of this program is Artemis 1, 2022, completed. Uncrewed test mission of the Orion spacecraft and Space Launch System, SLS. Artemis 2, 2025, crewed lunar flyby. First astronauts around the Moon in over 50 years. Artemis 3, 2026, first woman and first person of color on the Moon. Will land humans on the Moon's south pole to study water ice and set up a long-term lunar base. Artemis 4 and 5, 2028 to 2030, building the Lunar Gateway. Lunar Gateway, a space station orbiting the Moon, serving as a stopover for deep space exploration. Why it matters? First step toward Mars, astronauts will test technologies for long-term space living. Moon's ice water can be converted into fuel for deep space missions. Could lead to permanent human presence on the Moon. Number 2. Mars Sample Return Mission, NASA and ESA, bringing Mars rocks to Earth. What is Mars Sample Return Mission? A joint mission by NASA and the European Space Agency, ESA, to bring Martian soil and rock samples back to Earth. The Perseverance rover is currently collecting samples on Mars. Key missions of this program is 2026, launch of Sample Fetch rover and return lander. 2028 to 2030. The rover will collect samples and load them onto a Mars Ascent Vehicle, MAV. The MAV will launch the samples into Mars orbit, where a spacecraft will bring them back to Earth. Why it matters? Could confirm past microbial life on Mars. First Martian rocks examined on Earth. Help scientists prepare for future human missions to Mars. Number 3. SpaceX Starship, the first human mission to Mars. What is SpaceX Starship? Elon Musk's SpaceX is developing Starship, the world's largest and most powerful rocket designed for deep space travel. Starship aims to transport humans and cargo to Mars, creating a self-sustaining Martian colony. Key missions of this program is 2026, first uncrewed test flight to Mars. 2028 to 2030, possible first human landing on Mars. 2030 plus, goal to build a Mars base and prepare for colonization. Why it matters? Multiplanetary future, humanity's first step toward living on another planet. Reusable rockets will make space travel cheaper and faster. Could enable asteroid mining and deep space exploration. Final thoughts, the future of space travel. By 2030, we could see humans living and working on the Moon. The first ever samples from Mars brought to Earth. The first human colony on Mars. These missions will redefine our place in the universe.